into the works and the contributions of Immanuel Kant. The works and the contributions of Immanuel Kant. This is the story of 1750s, approximately around 100 years after Varenius. Okay, Kant, he is a German scholar. He is a professor of mathematics and metaphysics. एक तो है physics. Physics you understand, right? Motion, optics, bodies, material, force, momentum. ये physics हो गया. Physics is about what you can see, what you can measure. Physical का मतलब क्या होता है? What exists in terms of material, which has dimensions. Okay, this is physics. Metaphysics होता है beyond the material dimensions. Like your mind is metaphysics. Okay, your dreams are metaphysics. Some would say our ideas about spirituality is metaphysics. Okay, time as a concept has a metaphysical component also. Think of relativity. Think of time travel. Okay, so metaphysics goes beyond the real physical world. Yes, you're right. Something like metaverse. You have gone beyond the physical reality. तो ये अपने आप में भी एक science है. Okay, so and those type of sciences require a lot of calculations again. So time travel mathematically proven है. You can do it. Okay, the whole idea of wormhole सुना है आपने? Yeah, it's again a mathematical concept which is beyond the physical material world. So this man was the professor of mathematics and metaphysics, and importantly, he was an epistemologist. What this means is, he is something like, the scholar of knowledge. अब एनोलॉजी मैंने कहा लाइब्रेरियन, डोंट से ही वाज अ लाइब्रेरियन. समझाने के लिए मैं कह दिया, he is a scholar of knowledge. He is studying the body of knowledge. ठीक है? So he is an epistemologist, and he wrote a book, Critique of Pure Reason. Critique of Pure Reason. Okay, now listen. Remember one fact, that this man is not a geographer. Okay, but he is giving geography a position. He is acknowledging कि geography एक subject है. See what he does. पर सुन लो पहले, फिर लिखवा देंगे. What he says is, all science is of two types. He says science is of two types. एक science वो है which can be studied with numbers, which can be deduced with logic. This science has laws. This science has generalizations. Something like, I'm going to some place. Okay? At place A, the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade. Place B, temperature is 27 degrees centigrade. Place C, it now becomes maybe 25, and then becomes 23. Okay, it becomes 22. And I'm asking you, tell me, at a place called X, what do you think temperature will be here? आपने ये record किया, and so on. यहाँ पर क्या होगा? It looks like a descending -2, शायद हो रहा है. I can use my logic and say, this is what I think it could be 20 degrees centigrade. Actually, मैंने record नहीं किया और ना ही हम गए हैं. How do I know where the sun is? How do I know the universe is expanding? Have I seen it physically? I have done some calculations. I have done some extrapolations. Even before we went to space, I knew what the space will be like. हम कैसे जाने? I know that by using some logic. I know this by using some type of mathematical or a model. इस type के subject में I classify physics as a subject, mathematics as a subject, botany as a subject, chemistry as a subject, where I have laws and I have some ways of knowing the reality without actually seeing it. Do you know how the periodic table was done completely? So somebody would arrange the elements in some pattern and then say, if this is a metal called X, property say 1, a metal called Y, property called 2. यहाँ पर मुझे पता नहीं है metal called as Z और A, property 5. Then the guy said कि पक्का बीच में 3 और 4 भी होगा. Okay, and that's how they slowly start discovering and filling up the entire periodic table. Because there's a pattern in how properties are. There's a pattern in how elements and valency will behave. इसमें हम लगा रहे हैं logic. I hope you got the point here. Okay. So there are one type of subjects where I can use numbers, I can use logic, I can use mathematics calculations, and I can study. But there are some subjects that don't work on logic. Some subjects that don't work on mathematical generalizations. Like, I am in Delhi. It is very cold, and it has it's part of the Gangetic Plains. Delhi is a city. Logic लगा के बोलो, what does a place called as Harul Pit look like? Use logic and tell me. You cannot, right? Until I have gone there, I have read about it, I have seen it or heard about it. I can't guess, can I? So these are sciences where I can't use logic. Whatever I know here is based on my studies using senses. Either I have seen it, or I have heard about it, or I have touched and felt it. Only then I can say what they are looking like. Okay. These type of sciences, they have a physical reality. Okay. And I can do some kind of calculations. ये वाले जो हैं sciences, they use a logical conclusions. These type of sciences, they require senses. यहाँ पर logic काम नहीं करेगा. So I know this man called as Shivaji Maharaj, and he did A, B, C, D, work and whatever. Now use Shivaji Maharaj ka example and tell me using logic, what was the emperor called as Ming in China doing? You have no answer there. आपने Ming के बारे में अगर पढ़ा नहीं है, देखा नहीं है, सुना नहीं है, no way you can guess what he was doing. So these studies don't use logic. You have to actually see them and read about them. इस type के subjects में Kant says you fit in geography, which is a study of places, and you fit in history, which is the study in the context of time. History में logic नहीं लगता. Things happen, they happen, no logic. World War I happened 1914. Logic लगाओ, when will World War III happen? You have no logic there. I know Napoleon was the last emperor of say France. Give me logic. When will we have the next emperor somewhere else? No logic there. So study in time and study of places can't be done on the basis of mathematical and logical studies. So Kant says, these two sciences are different from this type of science. And this completes the body of knowledge. Is body of knowledge mein a subject called a geography of places was missing according to him. Once I have this, my body is now complete. I hope you got the idea of what he is doing. He is telling us what is geography. Geography is the science of places. What is geography? Geography is not like the logical sciences. What is geography? Geography is based on studies using our senses. What is geography? Geography is something like history, which is unique from the other logical sciences. What's geography? Geography can't make laws. Geography idhar hai na. Geography can't make laws because geography uses no logic. Geography will not use mathematics. Geography will not use generalizations. Geography is a unique, exceptional branch, unlike history or unlike logical sciences. He has given geography a position in the body of knowledge. And this type of geography is what he calls as chorology. And history he called as the study of chronology. So what is chorology? The term chorology was used by Kant to define geography as a subject. Geography as the study of places and in methods and techniques, unlike the study of logical sciences. Fine? I'm only saying what Kant is saying. But am I saying Kant is right? ये challenge आएगा बाद में. There will be scholars who says, I agree with Kant, geography must be like this. Other will say, क्या बकवास कर रहे हैं? Geography can also be this one. आप laws बनाए नहीं बनाए, okay, that's your technique of study. So we are not trying to support Kant. I'm only saying what Kant is saying. For Kant, geography is not logical sciences. Remember we talked about special versus general? Varenius क्या बोलते हैं? What is geography? What does Varenius say? What is geography? Geography is both. General भी है और special भी है. In Kantian logic, can geography be general anymore? No. For Kant, geography is special alone. Geography is descriptive alone. Okay. और जो general है, वो बोलते हैं आप इधर डालो, फिर वो आपका domain थोड़ी है. वो domain है mathematics का, physics का, okay, botany का, chemistry का, not your domain. So what Kant does is, he puts knowledge in watertight compartments. Not willing to accept subjects can have cross-disciplinary, okay, approaches also.